Hi everyone, welcome to a new vlog. Today I'm gonna take you to travel through this vlog. So stay tuned, and it's literally 3 a.m. in the morning and I wake up. I could not sleep anymore. So I just started vlogging. Anyway, yeah, like I said, it's gonna be a travel vlog. So please keep watching, and I don't know how to start, like where I don't know how to explain where I am going to, because it's gonna be a wholesome tiresome experience. This is always I do whenever I want to go and meet my loved ones. So why not today I will share how I travel. It's a connecting flight. Second flight will be 5 p.m. Third flight will be 6 a.m. Another flight will be 12 p.m. afternoon, 12 noon. So that's how I'm gonna travel, like from connecting flight. Anyway, this is what it is. So grateful. Still, I'm happy. I just want to tell you guys that it's been so long that I haven't vlogged, so why not I will pull out this video for travel. So I hope you guys will enjoy this vlog. So I reached the airport. That's the driver who is helping me with the luggage. That's the terminal 5, and I am proceeding to the check-in counter. Check, it's okay, no problem, ma'am. Take your time. First check-in. I appreciate, ma'am. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you so much, madam. I appreciate. Thank you. So I've checked in for the first leg, that is Riyadh to Jeddah, and this is the duty free in domestic airport in Riyadh. And I'm just chilling in the boarding gate, waiting for my boarding.
السجائر الإلكترونية. Do kindly check that your seatbelt is fastened. Keep your privilege shades open. Make sure your seat is upright with the armrest lowered, and stow your tray table and all carry.
This is a beautiful King Abdulaziz International Airport in Jeddah. So now I am in Jeddah. I need to take a train to go to the departure gate. So yeah, this is Jeddah airport, guys. So pretty.
المرجو إبقاء أحذية مقاعدكم مربوطة حتى تطفأ إشارة ربط أحذية المقاعد. نيابة عن السعودية وسكاي تيم وحلفائهم يجب التأكد من اصطحاب جميع أمتعتكم الشخصية قبل مغادرة الطائرة. In the morning and the outside temperature is 24 degrees.
This is me. Door open. Hello friends, so yeah, as you can all see that I'm already in Delhi, and it's my first experience in this terminal after they renovated. To my surprise, it's really beautiful and the interior is amazing, so loving the vibes. At the same time, I am very tired but really excited to board the last and final destination, that is to Dimapur. And yes, come along with me to Dimapur, guys. And thank you so much for still tuning in with me. I shall take you to Dimapur, so stay tuned.
Hi.
Finally back after traveling. How many hours, baby?
Like 20 hours. Well,
24 hours. Yeah. Traveling to 4 different cities, different kind of flights. That's how we meet our loved ones. Still, I'm very grateful. Finally reached Dimapur. And
Heading home.
excited, heading home, yeah. Reached safely, that's the most important. So grateful. And see what I got. A surprise, a bouquet for my hubby. This was very unexpected, guys.
Your favorite, huh? White lilies.
Yeah, white lilies.